Hey there, let's talk about the difference of say, says, and said. Remember, say and said is used for an action in simple present, for a recommendation or a routine. And we use said for an action in the past. For example, Teacher Ivan says to do the homework every day. This is a recommendation. It's in the past, it's in the present, and it's in the future. You say, Teacher Ivan said he watched the video. This is an action I said in the past. Okie dokie? So remember, say and says present, said past. It is important to study simple present to remember how to use say. Alright kiddos, I hope this helps you. See you later.